Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Today, I am going to show you in this tutorial, I will show you how to make this AI influencer real model for viral Instagram. Let's start. Open your browser. Search Tensor Art. Click on Create. Click on Sing In. Then click on Continue with Google. Click on your Gmail account. Then click on Continue button. Now let's choose a model for creating model. Yes, click on this. Click on Run button. Here is prompt here. You can type your prompt. You can find this prompt in description, copy this, and paste in prompt. Right here, negative prompt. Simply click on this button. Woo! Here is result. Such an amazing result. Hope you all understand for this. Create more like this images and post on your Instagram. If you like, download this image. Simply click on this button and you will get image easily without any watermark. Let's try another sample. You can see previous image for Pakistani. Let's try Indian image. Whoa, amazing, perfect. Let's try American model. Nice, amazing AI image for American women. And yes, if you like this tutorial, you want more like this tutorial, comments me below. And I must say, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Nisar Tech Navigator. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.